we are doing another installation at Mercer Island. It's a 26 kilowatt feeding the whole house. And the generator is already placed. The difference between this project and the other one is that this generator is going to feed two separate panels. So the house is on natural gas, heating system is on natural gas, but we need the generator to feed all the lights, TV, appliances in the house. So I'm going to show you. Here's the generator. Located already on a concrete pad. We're doing a trench. Meter is right here. Gas meter. And we're gonna put the two transfer switches. It's gonna be right here to fit these two panels. This is a 2-day job. So we're gonna do the rough part today. We're gonna come back another day for the final connections and inspection. Meanwhile, gas installation is gonna be done too. So we're gonna put one transfer switch right here, another transfer switch here, which are gonna feed this house, these two panels. Inspection is passed. Gas is connected. Conduit going to the house. Generator is sitting here. The generator is on auto mode. We're going to cut the power. The generator is going to start after 5 seconds. It's going to give the power to the house. Takes 10 to 20 seconds to give the power to the house. Perfect. When the power comes back, it's gonna wait 30 seconds to see if the power is reliable. Then it will switch back to the utility. There we go. And then generator works for 1 minute, cool downs and goes off. It's gonna be ready for the next power failure.